Welcome back to our channel Tech World everybody. And in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how we guys can fix a camera roll isn't backed up by Snapchat. Alright, so as you guys can see on my screen, it shows me right below camera roll it says your camera roll isn't backed up by Snapchat. This is not a problem. This is basically just a warning. It means any video you delete from over here is going to be deleted permanently because all these videos and photo they are not stored on your Snapchat, which means all these videos are not backed up on Snapchat server. But if you go on Snaps, then all the photo and video see over here, even if you delete this from your phone, or even if you remove your Snapchat, all this video can be recovered back if you sign in into your Snapchat again. But the videos on your camera roll if you delete your Snapchat and delete these videos from your gallery, even if you re-log in into your Snapchat again, you can't recover it. That's what Snapchat is trying to say to you. So if you want to fix this problem, then you need to save it under Snaps. Have you guys can do that. That's what I'm going to be showing you in this video. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel Tech World, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's move on. So let's say I want to save this photo on my Snapchat. What I can do is hold on this photo and click on this arrow and click on my story and click on this arrow again. And this is going to be added to my story. So I'm going to go to my story. Now, once you go to your story over here it is added. Now I can click on this 3 dots, click on Save Snap. Once it's saved, you can remove this from your story as well. So I'm going to remove it real quick. Once it's removed, what you can do is go back to your Snaps and it's saved over here like this, even if this is deleted from my phone, and even if my Snapchat is deleted, if I re-log in into my Snapchat again, it's going to be available over here. That's how we guys can fix our camera roll isn't backed up by Snapchat. Hope you guys understand. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Bye bye.